pay minimum charge amount 12,950 rupees, and 12,950 rupees it's a refundable amount with 4800.
Yeah, then first this 4800 refund me. Then I will pay
Sorry,
12,000.
what you say?
The second amount, quote amount is what is it? 4800.
Yeah, listen, you are totally fine. It will be closed now. Then after 15 minutes, they will refund you your total amount. So if you want to cancel an agreement right now, then you need to pay before 4 p.m. so we can cancel your agreement, and after that your whole amount it will be refunded 4800 plus agreement cancellation charge.
Agreement charges how much?
Sorry,
Agreement charges how much?
agreement cancellation charge in out of court 12,950 rupees.
12,900, 13,000.
12,000.
Yeah, around
12950.
I want
And if
some
you want
time.
to come in court, then you have to pay 2,46,000 rupees within 2 days.
I want some time.
You
Because
want some
right
time,
now I have.
but it's a court. Listen, but it's a court server time. If you want to cancel your agreement in out of court, then you need to pay before 4:05 p.m. 4:05 minute p.m. Okay.
Yeah, present I don't have that much
You
amount.
have time only 14 minutes left. If you want to pay, then we can cancel your agreement. If you don't pay, then court side proceed your file. Then you have come to the court and clear it. That's it. So choice is yours. Okay.
Yeah, I want some time because right now
Receiving this type of threatening from their side that you have to pay a cancellation agreement, cancellation charge, breach of contract charge, court case file charge, otherwise case will be filed. You have to come to the court in the police station, and in lakhs you have to pay. In case you have also signed any agreement with any data company, form filling, captcha filling, typing work, please don't pay them. Please, no need to get panic. We are here to help you. Just WhatsApp us and get the help. Save your time and money so that you don't have to worry about it at all, whether getting any legal notice hard copy to your address or going to anywhere, court or police station. Just WhatsApp us. We will help you and save your time and money. Please like the video and share it.